Hey everybody, what's going on? So I just got something from UPS and we're gonna open it. So I kind of pre-opened the top here. I haven't seen what's inside it yet, but I am waiting for two things to come from this company. Yeah, there we see it, Elgato. Corsair. I have been waiting for this. Okay, so I'm excited. We'll be opening this bad boy up right now. And doing this one-handed, as usual. All right. I really do need to buy one of those, like, mounts or whatever, so when I do things mobile, I can do this. Okay. We're doing an unboxing. I'm sorry it's not 100% live, but it will be uploaded. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Come on. Doing this one-handed is challenging. Okay. Oh, I see something. Can we jiggle it a little more? If I put the phone down, it's just not going to help. It's like sliding out. Okay. Almost. Let's see, can I do it with my left? I think so. I'm sorry it's autofocusing, y'all. Like I said, I'm doing this one-handed. Oh, yay! Okay, let's see. This is going to be... Where does it open? I know y'all want to see what's underneath the little cloth. Okay, so cables. So side note here, you should always use the cables that are provided from a company because those cables are designed specifically for their product. Let's see, we've got USB 3 to USB-C. So you want to make sure you're using a USB 3.0 port. All right. Now we get to see the camera. I really do like that they put these in the nice little cloth. All right. It's a little sticky. Like I said, I'm doing this one-handed. I can... That'll work. Oh, this is so challenging. If I had both of my hands to use, it would be a lot easier. I've got to get better at doing my unboxings. All right. All right. Here we go. Oh, almost. So there it is. The Elgato Facecam. And we'll be seeing this very shortly. Oh, I like that. Oh, that is nice. So it just pops in there when you're done. I like that a lot. I really do. Well done, Elgato. There you go. All right, so this, I'll probably take the base off. Can I do it this way? Okay, here we go. So if you're mounting it on a monitor, if I can take it off. If you're mounting it on a monitor, this little hinge comes in handy. Like I said, I'm doing this one-handed because I'm holding the phone with the other. But it would mount on your monitor just like that. You don't necessarily need a tripod mount, but I have a mount. So I'm gonna take this off. Actually, you know what? Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna do something real quick. Take a photo. Look at that lens. I mean, that's really nice. Really nice. All right. So for now, I'm just gonna do this now to unscrew the bottom. For those who have a multi-mount or a tripod, there you go. And if you're like me and you're gonna get blinded for a second, you have a ring light, you can attach it here. I'm not attaching this to my ring light, although that is an option. I think this is gonna be great going right above on my mount. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in, everybody. I appreciate you watching the unboxing of the Elgato Facecam. I expect the video quality on my face when I do streams to be improved. I'm going to be setting this thing up here very shortly, and then I'll probably make a video about it. Until then, have a wonderful afternoon and a wonderful day.